Welcome, welcome, everyone. My name is Renee McLaughlin, and I'm a certified health coach and a movement educator. And today it is my great honor and, quite frankly, excitement to share with you a woman who has been a friend for more years. We haven't been able to go back how many years. And it was through a workout that I used to teach for many years. And she was also a devotee of this wonderful workout. And over the years, we've kind of lost touch, in and out as life would do it. And round about Black Friday, and I'm going to let Mary tell the story. I was sharing a new product line. It was not new. It's not a new company, but it was new to me. And I only share things that I know work and that I have personal experience with. And Mary knew that. She heard it. And from there, Mary, I'm going to let you take it away. Share what happened on Black Friday.
Well, thanks, Renee. I cannot believe that you were able to find such fabulous products. We, like you said, we haven't connected in such a long time, but when I saw you online talking about some of these products, I thought, all right, maybe this is something I should give a try. Back in May, I had been told that I needed a knee replacement. Something I wasn't interested in, something I was going to do everything possible to avoid. So I started going the holistic route, taking collagen. I've taken collagen for years. I always feel like it helped. It wasn't helping my knee.
Mhm.
So I reached out to you, if you remember, and asked, what kind of products do you think this company has that might help my knee? And you recommended the Optimize and the Glow. So I thought, okay, Glow is collagen. I've used collagen for so long, it's not going to work. But Renee thinks it might, so I'll give it a try.
Thank you.
And the Optimize, I didn't even understand what it did, but I thought, all right, we'll give it a try. I would do anything not to get a knee replacement. So I received the products. I'm taking them, thinking, all right, whatever. This is maybe going to work. And then one day I realized I ran up the stairs. And I was like, "Oh, I haven't done that since May." I have not been able to. I was like limping up the stairs, holding on to the banister for dear life. So I'm I was sold. Products are absolutely amazing.
Wow, thank you for that. And here's something else that you told me, and I think it's really important. So I just want to reiterate this, and that is, I kind of liken it a little bit to that, the frog in the water thing, right? We put the frog in the water and then start to turn up that heat and the boat, right? So sometimes you start to get better, just like you said, and you almost forget about that pain, right?
Well, right.
Until what happens? You run out.
Well, and then when I ran out just recently, my order just, I don't even know what happened. I just didn't place the order fast enough. So now I definitely am subscribing. But I ran out for 3 days and I started feeling it again. Um, the order's back. The order came in. I'm back on, back to normal. Up the stairs we go.
I love that. That is just so
Hmm.
amazing. It's so amazing, and yet I hear this all the time about those 2 products. So Glow is a liquid collagen, and one of the things that we know about this Glow is, and collagen in general, is that it's really about how bioavailable the collagen is in our bodies, because my understanding is collagen does not get digested into a separate amino acids and then reabsorbed like proteins. A little bit different. It actually needs to be absorbed into your cells. And so, one of the things to look at when you're choosing a collagen is how bioavailable is it to our cells? And I think that's one of the reasons that our Glow collagen, we just call it liquid gold, because people
Absolutely.
such amazing results. Even when they've done collagen in the past, it also has hyaluronic acid in it, which you guys might know if you use a lot of anti aging skin cream. Hyaluronic acid is a lubricant, it's a hydration. Well, we need to hydrate these joints, do we not? Plus
Hmm.
those antioxidants, etc. So it's sort of like the synergy of the ingredients in Glow are what just really place it so hot, much higher above so many other collagens. I think it's the best on the market. So I was so glad that you made that choice. That's the collagen. And then the Optimize is what is called a proteolytic enzyme blend, and just making that really, it's proteolytic means it breaks up proteins in the body. And one of the places that we get pain in our body is because we have connective tissue that gets bound up, let's just call it scar tissue. And the scar tissue pulls and holds our pain in our muscles and in our joints. So a lot of times we think we have muscle pain. It's really this scar tissue. And the
That's
proteolytic
interesting.
enzymes go in and break up that scar tissue. And that's what helps to release and allow the oxygen and nutrients to get into the knee, the different joints. It's
Mm.
why, right, and it's why you actually can get great results with that, as you've seen, Mary. So I just thought I'd do a little explanation on that to show. So now you're like, oh,
So
that's
now
why.
I understand.
Exactly, exactly. They're both great products and they work so beautifully synergistically together.
Mhm.
So I am so glad that you trusted me enough to get
Well,
my.
thank you so much.
You are so welcome. And thank you so much for sharing your story about how they've helped you so much.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks.
See ya.